Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Li-Shann, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to slick down really thick hair. I know for me, just the thought of doing hairstyles that my hair needs to be super slick for literally gives me anxiety because my hair is so thick. I used to spend hours and hours just, well, that's exaggerating, but I used to spend a long time just brushing down my hair, just trying to get it smooth. But today I'm going to show you guys a couple of tips and tricks on how I do it, and I cut down my time in like half doing it this way. And I'll also show you guys how I put on my ponytail. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.
I'm starting this off on stretched hair. So last night I washed my hair and I put it in these 4 braids. That way my hair could be stretched out for this style. This is key. I used to do these slick styles on soaking wet, freshly washed hair, and it took me forever. But this definitely makes a difference. My hair is still a little bit damp, and that's going to help because I'm going to have to comb out my hair anyways. So yeah, when your hair is stretched out, it's a lot more manageable. And it just works way easier. If you guys haven't tried it before, I'm telling you, try it this way. So now I'm gonna go ahead and comb out my hair. As you can see, I tried to take the easy way out and just comb out the ends of my hair, and I honestly wish I just combed out the whole thing. It would have made it a lot faster, but I'm type lazy, so yeah, for you guys, just comb out all of your hair. It'll make your life 10 times easier. So after I do that, I'm going to go ahead and section off my hair. And I'm going to be using this ORS Hydrating Hair Butter. I use this on top of my hair because it gives my hair a really nice shine, and my hair has already been moisturized. So yeah, I'm going to do this for each section. I did a total of 3 sections per side. So after I'm done with that, I'm going to use my Eco Style gel. When you stretch your hair out, you definitely don't need as much gel as if you just did it straight out of the shower. So after I do that, I'm going to take my clip and just clip this part down and do the same steps to all 3 sections. After I'm done slicking down my hair, I just take 2 scarves and I do it a bit tight just to set my hair, and I leave this on for about 30 minutes. So now my edges are done. I'm going to take my curly track, and I'm using 2 for this style. I just double them up, and on one end I'm going to use my bobby pin and just attach it right below the weft. So as you can see, I'm just sticking it right into my bun. Try to make your bun as small as possible. I probably could have tried to make my bun a little bit smaller, but for curly hair it's not as noticeable. It kind of makes it gives it a more of a fuller look, but still try to make it as small as possible. So as you can see, all I do here is just wrap that track around my bun. When I get to the very end, I take hair about this thick. You can make it thicker. It's whatever your preference, but I take my hair about this thick and I just wrap it around the base of the ponytail just so no tracks are showing and it looks seamless. Once I get to the very end, I just bobby pin it into place and I'm all done. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Wow.